Hi guys, it's Richardlizhu back with another video. Today we're going to talk about ABS versus PBT keycaps for your mechanical keyboard. For the past 2 years, for my daily driver keyboard at home, I've been using a Corsair K95 RGB keyboard. It comes default with ABS keycaps, but then I bought a set of PBT keycaps and put them on right away. For work, for the past 10 months, I've been using a Kinesis Advantage 2 ergonomic mechanical keyboard. This has the default ABS keycaps. First, let's do a little sound test. We're going to compare the sound of the PBT keycaps and the ABS keycaps. So here's my Corsair K95, and these are the ABS keycaps. These are the PBT keycaps, and you can listen to the sound here. These are the PBT keycaps. And the macro keys here are actually still the ABS keys. So now you can listen to a comparison here. The PBT keycaps just sound much heavier and clunkier and just overall have a better sound and a better feel. And then let's compare that to the Advantage 2. Alright, physically, the PBT keycaps have not really degraded at all. There's a bit of gunky residue on the PBT keycaps just from my hands, but that is also present on the ABS keycaps. As you can look at that G2 key and the G4, you see that some of the gunk, and here the backspace, you can see some of gunk there, and maybe the space bar, yep, you see that. So yeah, that's gunk from my hands, and that goes away with a quick little wipe. The Kinesis Advantage 2, the ABS keycaps here, you can see that there's a lot of key shine. On the backspace key, you can see that I use it a lot, so there's a lot of key shine there, whereas there's not so much on the delete key. The delete key you see is kind of matte, but then the backspace has a lot of key shine, and all the keys that I use pretty heavily have shine. So the shine is when the oils in your hand actually fill in the spaces, or between the fill in and send down the keys. And there's has been no wear on the lettering, but there's a lot of key shine, and I don't know, it gives it a nice like broken in feeling. But it's definitely not as good as the PBT keycaps, which feel like they feel like brand new, like the day I bought them. They definitely, I think it was definitely worth the money investing in a set of nice PBT keycaps. These are also laser etched, so the RGB lighting goes through them. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Please leave a comment below with video ideas that you want to see.